What's your biggest reasoning for making sure you incorporate your friends into your shoots?
I just feel like they with me, like they've been there through the nights. Like I really was off a ledge, ready to quit. Like didn't want to do this no more. So I feel like having them around is just, it give me a good feeling to know like, all right, I can actually talk to my homie about like, all right, fix your shirt, or like, bro, put this on without giving no pushback or anything like that, because they don't know me. And I feel like a lot of people don't dress better than my homie, so I feel like why not have them around instead of going to find somebody else to just put my stuff on. Best part is to keep you afloat. I feel like in a lot of situations, like some people don't have that, and that's why they give up. Like I done had family and friends tell me about their friends who had clothing brands who just gave up. And being a business owner in general, you want to give up because sometimes it just get hard. Like it gets so hard, you hit rock bottom, you don't know what to do. But then having people telling like, nah, bro, like keep going, keep going, keep going. And then also, especially with your friends, like I have real friends who like be real honest with me, like, nah, bro, this ain't it, or yeah, bro, that's the one. It gives you feedback because you're gonna I automatically think everything I do is hard, and sometimes they do too. But it's just having that outside aspect of like, yeah, bro, that color don't really like blend like that, or like, yeah, bro, you might want to move this here, like outside opinion to help you with your thought.